Hello and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything that keeps you organized, from interior design, because if you design your house in such a way that allows you to move from one task to the other, that would help you. Also, I do talk about cleaning products that makes your life easy and hopefully save you some money, and then putting all these things together will keep you organized. So we're all about organizing here, but today we're going to be talking about cleaning products that hopefully will save you some money because you're not using any chemicals. All you're going to be using is just water. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So in talking about cleaning with just water, we are going to be talking about cleaning different things in the house, from cleaning your makeup to washing up your plates and also mopping the floor. So my first one up is this Eclot Washing Up Pad. It's dual, so you can use both sides, that side and this side. This smooth side, you can use it to cut through grease and grime very easily, and this scrubby side you can use to wash any food that might be a bit more tough to get rid of. This scrub side, you can use it to get rid of tough stains on your plate. I really like this because it's very easy to use. Even though it says just use water, I still use washing up liquid, but I find that it's a very good way on saving a lot of money on using washing up liquid. So for example, if my daughter's going to wash her plate, I will give this to her to wash without any washing up liquid. She can just use water. That saves me a lot of washing up liquid. And if you also want to do the same, if you'd like to save some money on some washing up liquid, I know a lot of people use Eclot ones or different ones out there, but you can save yourself a lot of money by combining using very little washing up liquid and using this pad. It does say you can use it with washing up liquid or with just water. I find myself using it with liquid because this is a habit I have been doing for years. So, but when I do remember, I do use just water, and it's works brilliantly well. My next product is this Eclot Kitchen Whiz. As the name says, you're meant to be able to whiz around the kitchen very, very easily and be able to clean any aspects of the kitchen. What I mainly use it for is for the sink surfaces and also for our tap. I'll show you how I use it on our tap actually. Let's have a look. You don't need to put any chemicals, it's just water. So let's have a look how I use it. So if you can see how you've got different marks on there on our tap at the moment, it's just very, very stainy around here. All you need to do is get some water. Just like that, some water on it. All you need. Squeeze it out, just out the excess water, and just give it a good clean. See that? You see that? So that just gives it a good, quick, clean shine. And if you really, really want to go a little bit extra now, this Eclot does come with something you can use on glass. So I would just wipe it down again like that, and just makes it all nice and clean completely. See that? Just keeps it nice and shiny. Gives it a good shine. Okay? See? All nice and clean. And that's just water. Nothing else. Little bit of effort and just water, and you have a nice clean tap. I would say with most Eclot products, they normally work with a two-step cleaning style. So first of all, you use water, just like we use water with this washcloth to clean the surface. And secondly, you would normally have a second cloth. For example, this is the glass cleaning cloth. You use that to then wipe down, and that gives you brilliant results. My next product is this Eclot general purpose cloth. Basically, you can use this for cleaning any type of surface. You can use it to clean windows, you can use it to clean a glass, you can use it to clean kitchen surfaces, you can use it to clean different places, you can use it to clean chrome or stainless steel. It's generally all-purpose cloth. And the good part about this is it actually cleans up to 99% of bacteria. It also comes with a 3-year warranty. I really like this. I use it to clean different areas of the house. I do have different cloths for different things, but this one is a general purpose. It's like having a microfiber cloth, but this microfiber cloth works with just water, and you can use it to clean any surface basically, but it's a really good one. It's very thick. The way this works is that once you put water in it, the water activates the microscopic voids, and this actually absorbs and attracts dirt and traps dirt in the fiber. So that's how it works brilliantly, and it's able to kill 99% bacteria. My next product up is going to be this makeup remover cloth. I like to wear makeup, but it's not so much fun when you have to spend a lot of time trying to get rid of it. So I came across this makeup remover cloth, and they're really good. This is how the box looks like. It comes with a pack of two, one blue one and one pink one. You'll probably see a picture of how my blue one looks like when it's been used. But how you use it basically is you put water on this soft, it's very soft motion, which makes it really easy for you to get rid of your makeup. So put water on there and just use it in a round circle motion, and this would just clean out your makeup. You would probably see a picture of the ones I've used before, and this one is still brand new, but I've used this one quite often. And once you finish, just rinse it and put it in the washing machine, or you can hand wash it. Sometimes I do soak it because I've got a lot of makeup on it. I would soak it before I actually put it in the washing machine because it does have a lot of makeup on it. But it's a really good one because what you can do, you can save a lot of money from buying wipes every time. I know they're not that expensive, but you could save the environment as well from not using a lot of wipes instead of just using a cloth. And once you finish using it, you then wash it. Also, I like the fact that it comes as a pack of two, which means when one is in use, maybe it's in a washing machine or it's drying, you can use the second one. So this is a really good way. And all you also use with this mascara is just water. That's it. You don't need any chemicals whatsoever. If you've got really stainy makeups, trust me, this will get rid of it. This is really good. If you're worried about maybe skin types, it works on all skin types, which I find very useful. So you don't have to worry about if you've got oily skin or if you've got dry skin. This would easily remove your makeup regardless of what skin type you have. My next product is the cloth you use in cleaning your shower. So this is the one I use. It's like I said, with most Eco cloth, it comes as a two-step. This is the one I use in cleaning the bathroom, and it comes with another cloth. So this is one, and this is the second one for cleaning, for shining the bathroom. So how it works is you would use this to wipe down, just put water in it, use it to wipe down the bathroom, and then use this to then clean afterwards, to clean the water to make it look nice and shiny. I don't always have time to use this, to be honest. I use this all the time. Once I want to wash the bathroom, I use this to wipe down. Once I finish, I spray with Astonish. So that also gives it a really good shine. So on a weekend when I've got more time, I then wipe down with this. But if not, on a weekday, if I don't have enough time, I just wipe down with this and forget about it. Or sometimes I put Astonish on it, but sometimes this is good enough in itself. But if you really want to go the extra mile, just like that tap I showed you, you then use this to shine. It's a two-step thing. That's what I found with this product. But it works brilliantly well. It saves a lot of time and it saves a lot of chemical. So for me, it's a win-win. The next product up is the glass cleaner. I know cleaning glass can be hard work. Cleaning glass or mirrors can be a lot of hard work, and it's sometimes difficult to find a product that works all the time. So this is also an Eclot. It's for glass cleaning, and the way it works is the same way, but this time around I'm going to show you how I use it. So I'm going to wet this first and I'll be back. So you can see the marks on here. It's not exactly clean, but I'm just going to wipe it like that. Give it a good wipe, and there you go. You can see it wipes it very easily. There you go, all done. So while that's wet, next thing I would then do is take the cleaning cloth. They always put another cleaning cloth on there, and you just wipe that down. Can you see that? It's absolutely brilliant. It saves me a lot of time, saves me a lot of product buying. I'm still buying a lot of product. I still buy cleaning products here and there, but not a lot. It's reduced the amount of chemicals I'm using in the house, and I find it that it works brilliantly well with very little effort as well. If you haven't seen my previous video on cleaning, I would have the link below for you. Also, other products I've mentioned so far, I would have the link, so if you want to get them on Amazon, you'll be able to get them. So for me, I find using different mops for different tasks a little bit more easy. If you want to know more about mops and how I do use them, let me know in the comments and I could make a video on that. So general care for your Eclot. A warm rinse is good for everyday use. If you're going to put it in the washing machine every now and then, I think 30 to 60 degrees is actually fine with a little bit of detergent. The more detergent you put it in there, the less the performance of the cloth will be. This cloth will benefit from you doing a hot wash at 90 degrees with just water, or you can actually sterilize them by using boiling water. But for drying, you can put it in a tumble dryer or you can just hand dry it. Because it's an Eclot, the advice is do not put any bleach or any chemicals in it when you're washing it. If you mistakenly wash it with fabric softener, what you can do is just wash it without using the fabric softener and it's good to go. So that's the care you can use for making sure that this cloth will last you for a long time. So thank you for watching today's video. Thank you for all of you who subscribed to my channel so far. If you haven't, please subscribe to this channel. We talk about designs, we talk about cleaning, we talk about keeping you organized. If you've liked anything in this video today, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you later.